In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok AI Chrome Extension to generate multiple videos automatically in 2026. To get started, open Google Chrome. It's important to use the latest version of Chrome or another Chromium-based browser like Edge, Brave, or Arc, because many Grok automation extensions are built specifically to work best in those browsers. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store and install a Grok automation extension that supports batch video generation. These types of extensions are designed to save time by automating prompt submission, video generation, downloads, and even basic project organization. Once that's installed, go to the official Grok website and sign in to your account. In most cases, the extension will use your existing Grok login session, so you usually won't need to enter your password again inside the extension itself. After that, navigate to Grok's image and video generation area, often called Grok Imagine. This is the workspace where the extension will handle most of the automated video creation process. Now click the extension icon in Chrome to open the automation panel or dashboard. Depending on the tool you installed, you may see features like a prompt queue, text to video, image to video, batch generation, and auto download. This is essentially your control center. Before generating anything, prepare a list of video prompts. Each prompt should represent a separate clip. For example, you might write a sunrise drone shot of a futuristic city, then a scene flying through neon-lit streets, followed by a robot walking through a crowded market, and finally a cinematic skyline at sunset. Many creators prepare large prompt lists in advance so they can run multiple videos in one session. Copy and paste your prompts into the extension's batch queue. Most automation tools can process dozens or even hundreds of prompts sequentially, which means you don't have to submit them one by one manually. Next, configure your video settings. Choose the video mode, resolution, duration, aspect ratio, any upscaling options, and whether you want auto download enabled. The exact settings available will depend on the extension you're using. Then set a submission delay between generations. This step is helpful because it can reduce failed generations, avoid rate limits, and improve overall stability when you're running larger batches. When everything looks ready, start the queue or run the batch. The extension will automatically submit each prompt, wait for the generation to finish, and then continue to the next one until the entire queue is complete. If your extension supports it, turn on auto download. This can automatically save videos, rename files, and organize outputs into folders, which cuts down on a lot